All right, next one. Swimwear fit problem in quotes. I struggle with finding a bikini top that offers both style and functionality. It's a good one. So personal stylist solution. I would definitely emphasize on straps. Straps. You said functionality. I know the first word was style, but functionality, I need you guys to kind of just use your critical thinking. And I'm not being sarcastic. Again, if you're just now seeing just this clip, I am more of a strategic styling type of individual. If you want a quick fix, I am not your girl. I'm not your brand. Just keep it moving. So when it comes to functionality, I don't know what your body shape is. I don't know your body size, but I think this picture that is behind me is so well suited for this question. You see how our straps are? Over time, the meat in your breast are going to get overwhelmed and just it's a lot of weight and pressure and tension. So it's gonna be falling. I think that's one of the questions. So finding something, you definitely need to have straps that support. So getting these little rinky dinky, flimsy, skinny, it's not gonna work. You want style and function. Those are the two words that you emphasize. I would strongly suggest that you start off looking for functionality, and functionality would be straps. And then once you find something that is straps, then that's when you start filtering through style and fashion. Unfortunately, for those girlies who want to just go for the cute and fast route, you're going to keep running into the same problem. But again, I don't know what you look like, what your body shape is. All these things factor into what supports your body or your breast or whatever the case may be, and what is functioning. The functioning part for a lot of your bathing suit is honestly your straps. I am a part of a lot of collection developments or product development for fashion brands. I don't actually sew or do the pattern making and all this and that, but I do understand the function and like the background of making an actual garment. And for me to sit here and tell you as a stylist that actually is in people's closets, hear the complaints, hear the problems, and kind of transition them over or transform their look, this is something you need to definitely focus on. There are so many dope fashion brands, and better yet, if you really are serious about looking fashion forward and functional and really want to spend some money on your style and have it for a long time, you can definitely work with a seamstress or a tailor to make your own customized swimwear. Just giving you a food for thought. You do have to seek where these tailors and seamstress are and what their specialty is. That's a whole nother video, but they are out there. Or you know what, if you come across a small independent designer, you can ask them, do they do custom, and maybe you whatever they have or their inventory, and they can kind of just shift out the strap so that it can be functional. You have to tell them that you want it to be functional so that you can come in for the fittings or fitting, however many you need, so that they know that it is functioning. Because what you guys are buying in the store are just one person in mind, and it's not even a real person because it's a mannequin when these designers are making, what you see in the store, what is produced out to the masses. All right, I hope this was helpful.